Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all, Honorable Chairman of Department of English, Mr. Yana SPDM Hum, their all English Department's lecture and Honorable all participants of this seminar. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Endang Siti Fatimah, the moderator of today's seminar. I'm very happy to see you here and welcome all of you to this seminar. Today, seminar is about successful entrepreneurs during a pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, our speaker today is Mr. Sandiaga Uno. Mr. Sandiaga Uno is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in Indonesia. Sandiaga Uno founded his business from start and is currently named one of the richest people in Indonesia, according to the 2018 Global Asia magazine. He is also a politician with his last position being Deputy Governor of Jakarta. Curriculum vitae named Sandiaga Salahuddin Uno, born Pekanbaru Riau, Juni 28, 1969, religion Islam, position Deputy Governor of Jakarta. Education General S1, Wichita State University, Amerika Serikat. S2, George Washington University, Amerika Serikat. Family: Rajib Halik Uno, father; Rahmini Rahman Armin Uno, mother; Nur Aisyah, wife; Anesya Atera Uno, child; Amira Atefa Uno, child; Sulaiman Salahuddin Uno, boy. Before the presentation starts, let me tell you how the presentation will go. First, Mr. Sandiaga Uno will be invited to present the material. After that, there will be a questions and answer sessions followed by a conclusion. Now, allow me to welcome the speakers, Mr. Sandiaga Uno, successful entrepreneurs during a pandemic. To make his presentations, Mr. Sandiaga Uno, please explain the material. Thank you very much, Mr. Sandiaga Uno, successful entrepreneurs during a pandemic, for giving such an informative and interesting presentations. Ladies and gentlemen, now are the time for the questions and answer sessions. I would like to have 3 questions from the participants. Please question here. The first one come Arya, which asks, ladies and gentlemen, I have from about what to do in times of a pandemic when starting a business. The second from Nabisa was asked about how to get up if you experience failure. And the last one of Risa was asked about whether to be an entrepreneur must experience failure first. Ready to answer, Mr. Sandiaga Uno? Ladies and gentlemen, finally we come to the end of this seminar. Before closing the seminar, I want to draw conclusion from what the speaker said. Don't ever be afraid to start a business during a pandemic. There are still many opportunities out there. Never be afraid to fail, because successful entrepreneurs have experienced failure. I would like to thank the speaker for their informative and interesting presentations, and all the participants for their very active participation. Finally, applaud the speaker and all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.